We have an 8x10 greenhouse completed and ready for delivery. We are taking this one to Heyburn, Idaho, which is about 160 miles away from us. We are located in the Boise Meridian area, but service all over the state of Idaho and can even deliver into Oregon and Nevada. We were able to build the greenhouse right here at our factory, but we also build on-site at your location as well. We made it to our destination here in Heyburn, Idaho. It's been a cold, wet, rainy day, but the drop site is looking pretty good. It should be pretty easy. Customer made a little base for it. We're going to set it down right there, and I'm going to show you the process. We are all finished up setting up the greenhouse. I got it staked, it's level. You happy with the greenhouse, Walt?
Wonderful. Love it.
Good deal. It's ready for some tomatoes, broccoli, cucumbers. It's gonna be great.